Hello, and we're going to look at two-year Algebra 2C, Unit 1, Week 1, where we explore SLT1 using the sine ratio to determine the height of a point following a circular path at a given point in the circle. We are going to do all of this through the lens of looking at a Ferris wheel. So consider this Ferris wheel. It has 10 seats. The center of the wheel is 30 feet off the ground, and the radius of the wheel in the circle is 25 feet. We can calculate the angle between each seat because we know that there are 360 degrees in a circle. So 360 degrees divided by 10 seats means that the angle between each seat is 36 degrees. Since seat A is the same height as the center of the Ferris wheel, we know that seat A is 30 feet off the ground. We also know seat F is 30 feet off the ground. But what if we want to find the height of another seat, say seat C? That's where we're going to have to use the sine function. We use the right triangle to find the height from the center bar to seat C. We can calculate bottom angle is 72 degrees because seat C is two sections away from the center. And as we talked about, each center is 36 degrees. We also know the hypotenuse is 25 feet because that's the radius of the wheel. So now we have to find x. From our trig functions, we recall sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And so we plug that in, sine 72 degrees equals x over 25, which leads us to x equals 23.78 feet. Now, you may think we're done, but we're not. Because remember, our question was how far is seat C from the ground? That only answers the previous question, only answers the question of how far seat C is from the middle. How can you find the answer to our question? Take a moment and consider what the answer is. How far is seat C from the ground? Seat C is 53.78 feet from the ground because it's 23.78 from the middle, and the middle is 30 feet from the ground. Now, this should make sense because seat C is almost to the very top. And if it's to the very top, then we know that 30 feet and 25 feet, which would be the radius to the top, is about 55 feet. We hope that watching this video helped you better understand some of the ideas that were in two-year Algebra 2, Week 1. Thank you.